Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. First, I want to give a shout out to all of my 10,000 followers. Thank you guys so much for following me. Thank you for sharing, liking, and also saving this content for later. This video was highly recommended by you guys. A lot of my followers was inboxing me, asking me, can I do a demonstration on how I sleek my side swoops back into the stitch braid. So basically what we do is, what I do is like I lay the hair down using either Got2b gel or I use the Got2b glue. And then I like to use this small mini edge brush only because it has those super small teeth in the comb. I use the comb to help sleek it, and I use my middle finger to lay it down into place. I will keep going over this like a lot only because her hair is super thick, so a lot of times like if my finger is not laying on a string, it will come up or move. So once I actually sleek this down on both sides, I take my time, and sometimes it takes me like literally like 15 minutes to do edges. And so right here it's all the way sleek, and it's also dry. I waited till it dry a little bit, and then I come back to it to crochet it in. So this is basically the crochet demonstration. I'm going to show you guys how I actually crochet each side piece into the stitches.